Hi everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I will show you how to make a shimmering nail design using magnetic gel. It's a very time-consuming design because you apply it one by one, but the result is the maximum amount of sparkle and shine. It's fun just to watch the process, as it uses a long stretchy gel called spider gel, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. First, apply the base color gel. This time, apply this pink beige to the entire nail. After this, you will apply magnetic gel on top of it, so it's okay to apply this pink beige only lightly. Once you've applied it all over, let it harden. Next, apply non-white matte coat to the entire surface. To prevent the mirror powder from scattering when you rub it in, first, apply non-white matte coat. Once you've applied it all over, let it harden. Next, prepare the gold spider gel. This is a gel that stretches long like spider silk. There is also icing gel, which is a type of gel that stretches well, but icing gel is good for making puff patterns. And spider gel stretches very well, so it is good for drawing straight, thin lines. This time, we want to draw straight lines, so we will use this spider gel, but if you don't have it, icing gel is also fine. First, take some spider gel on a toothpick or dot pen. With the spider gel, make two kinds of lines, one going to the bottom left and one going to the bottom right to create a diamond shape. Spider gel stretches well, so first place it at the point where you want to start, then land at the goal point, then place it again at the starting point, then land at the goal, dotting the gel at the starting and ending points. At this time, make sure the distance between the lines is even. Once the diamond shape is created, harden it with a nail light. Next, rub gold mirror powder on it. Take the powder on an eyeshadow tip or your finger and rub it gently. Once you have applied the powder, brush off any excess powder with a soft brush. Now, the gold line is complete. Next, apply magnetic gel to the inside of the line. Choose 3 to 4 colors of magnetic gel such as pink, purple, and light blue. First, take the magnetic gel you choose onto a palette. and apply it to a long thin line brush. Use the gel on the brush to fill in the inside of the diamond. After filling in one diamond, use a magnet to gather the glitter particles to one side. Once you have completed one diamond, hold it under the nail light for about 5 to 10 seconds to temporarily cure it. After that, repeat the same process. Randomly apply the 3 to 4 colors of magnetic gel that you have chosen and repeat the process of applying the magnet and temporarily cure it. When you have finished applying the gel to all the nails, now put them under the light according to the curing time indicated on the gel and let them cure completely. Finally, finish by applying a no-wipe top coat to the entire nail. After the entire nail is coated, cure. This completes the process. Nail art that makes the most of unique shimmer of magnetic gel has been created. How was the shimmering nail art created with magnetic gel? It takes time to make each diamond individually, but it shines beautifully. This is a recommended nail design for those who want to try difficult nail art, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.